Time out, Daria.
Squidgy log.
Welcome to Time Out, and today we're making Squidgy log.
Welcome to Time Out. There we go. Now, Squidgy log. Yeah?
Yeah!
Squidgy log.
The special thing about Squidgy log is it's a flourless cake. For the filling, the ingredients are Okay, Daria, I need you to put the chocolate into the saucepan. Good job. 2 tablespoons of water. Now you need to put the saucepan over some water and simmer and wait for it to melt.
Chocolate.
There's 2 egg yolks that we have separated, and now we're gonna beat them. Daria? Yeah, so now you help Mama mix. Don't touch this, okay? It's very hot. Okay, I need you to pour in the egg yolk. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Mix it, Daria.
Yeah,
Yeah, mix
Can't
it. Okay, you don't. Okay, I won't do it. You do it. Mix it.
Yes, it's mine.
Mix it till you don't see the yolk anymore. Then you have to set it aside to cool down. Okay, you mix it, but just be careful. Wow! Do you like the smell of chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, so does Mama.
What's that?
This is chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse.
Yes.
We're making chocolate mousse.
It's the filling in the squidgy log.
It's just squidgy log.
Okay, let's set this aside to cool down.
No, I'm do.
Okay, last one, then we set it aside to cool down, okay?
Huh?
No, Daria, you can't put it in your mouth, sweetheart. It's raw egg. Remember what Mama told you? It's dangerous. Okay, let's set this aside for now and help Mama whisk the egg whites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The egg white.
Let's whisk the egg whites.
Yeah.
We're gonna mix the chocolate and the egg white and fold it, okay?
I want to do.
Okay, you need to fold this. Yes, you do it. Fold it.
Can't do it. You can't do it.
Okay.
You can't do it.
Okay. Be careful. Just fold it. Fold it. Fold it. Fold it. This is the squidgy log filling.
I want to mix. You don't mix.
Okay.
Don't mix.
You need to fold it, not mix it.
Swirl it.
Yay!
Mama's
Okay.
turn.
Now that this is done, we need to cover and refrigerate this for 1 hour. And now that the mousse is ready, we need to get the cake ready.
Cocoa powder, sugar, eggs, ice cream.
So you know what we're gonna first do? Let's whisk the yellow of the egg. Come on, let's add the sugar. Daria. Okay, come on, Daria. I'll give you a surprise when you help. If you help me, I'll give you a surprise. Daria, don't take that much sugar, baby. Put it down. Your tummy's gonna hurt. Okay, now help Mama.
No, I have to one.
Okay.
One.
See.
Only
We're
one.
gonna pour it in here. We're gonna pour it.
I want to do.
chocolate mixture and we're gonna fold in the egg whites. Let's do this together. Okay, that's 1 spoon and there's 1 more spoon. Come on, let's fold. Let's fold. Fold like this. See, fold. Fold. There.
Fold.
Yeah. Swirl. Okay. Here, you do. You do. Here, you do. Now we have to pour it into the tin so it can go and bake. Let's bring in the tin that's been lined with grease-proof paper and butter. Okay, Daria?
Yeah. I want to do.
Okay, you do.
Stop. Stop.
Okay, we're almost done. I need to finish
Almost done. Almost done.
Yes, we're almost done. I just need to get the rest of it out. Okay, there we go.
I want.
Squidgy log! Let's cut this together. Mama, I'll give you a piece.
No cream.
That's not cream, sweetheart. Well, that is cream, but then you don't have to eat the cream part. You have to eat the chocolate part. You try this? You eat the chocolate part?